Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're seeing me for the first time, hello, welcome to my channel. How are you doing? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my hair. So this is my natural hair, by the way. I hope you guys like it already. Give this video a thumbs up right now if you like my hair. Comment down below if you also have long hair. Let's be friends. I love people that have long hair. I don't know, I'm just blabbing. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is to wet my hair, and that's like one of the first instructions from the shampoo. It says to apply the shampoo to wet hair, and I'm going to apply this generously to my hair. Like, I'm not going to be stingy. Like, I have a really detailed video of me reviewing this shampoo. Like, it's a set: the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioning treatment. Like, I used the three, and I really talked extensively about it. I'm going to leave the link up here so you guys can watch that if you want to know whether this product is really good for your hair or not. So I'm just really massaging this product onto my hair, to create like a rich lather. And then after this, I'm going to rinse out the shampoo with some water. Guys, I really love this process. Like, I love washing my own hair. I don't know about you guys, like the feeling, like I can literally run my hands through my scalp and just get it right. Like, when they're washing your hair in the salon, you cannot really tell them, oh, wash this place very well, but when you're doing it yourself, like, you just know that it's amazing. It's like a great feeling. So I'm really going to rinse this out completely, and the very next thing I'm going to apply is my deep conditioning. Now this one is also from the same brand. As you can see, I'm already out of that cup already, and I like to apply this to my hair immediately after the shampoo. But right now that I'm out, I'm going to now use my aloe vera, and I'll show you guys how I get my aloe vera gel. I just harvested this one from my garden outside, so I'm like cutting off the sharp edges on the corners. Now I'm going to peel off the back and extract the gel, and I'm using a knife. So if you're doing this by yourself, guys, please be careful, do not cut yourself with the knife. And so I'm going to make sure I scoop out all the gel completely, because I'm not letting anything go to waste. And I'm going to transfer all of this gel to my blender. I'm going to add a little water to the blender and blend this gel so that it becomes like liquid completely. And yeah, pretty much everything that I'm doing right now. And after I blend this, like maybe like 5 or 10 seconds, and it's already smooth, and I'm going to pour it into a cup. And right after this, I'll transfer it to my hair, and I'll just pour everything on my hair. Like this step already just makes your hair super soft. Like, this is one of the key things I do to my hair that gives my hair that shine and moisture, and it's just amazing. Like, aloe vera has like a lot of benefits, you guys. You can use it for the skin, you can use it for your face, you can use it for your hair. Like, it's just amazing. So I'm really going to massage this all over my scalp, everywhere. Then I will cover it with my shower cap and leave it on my hair for about another say 20 to 30 minutes. Then I'll come back and rinse it off, then apply my leave-in conditioner. Like, this is really what I do to my hair on a norm, right, you guys? So it's 30 minutes already. Now I'm letting it down. Now you guys see my hair is already soft. I know you cannot see, but I'm feeling it already, so I know my hair is like really soft right now. So for some people, they might like to leave it on, but I like to rinse it out because I know my hair already got all the nutrients, so I'm not really rinsing anything off. I'm just so yeah. So after this, I'm going to towel dry my hair, which is very important right now. Applying this leave-in conditioner, I'm going to get a t-shirt to towel dry my hair. And I like using t-shirt because it doesn't tangle my hair up like the way a normal cotton towel would do. So t-shirts are like very good, for drying wet hair because they don't contribute much to the formation of knots and tangles, and so that's why I really really like using it. So now I'm using the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to like use a generous amount of this and just apply it all over my hair. Then I would then use my Garnier ultimate hair oil. Just apply that on my hair as well, to give my hair some shine. Then yeah, this is basically everything I do to my hair, you guys. And now this is the Ghanaian Ultimate Blend, the Sleek Perfector. Literally, guys, this thing does exactly what it says. Like, it gets my hair super sleek and it smells divine, honestly. Yes, I'm back. I'm done with everything now. I just put my hair inside my shower cap. And this is what my hair is looking like right now. And it's super, super soft at the moment. Like, it's so soft, you guys. And I don't really do a lot of heat styling to my hair, so I swear to God Almighty, my hair is literally like so soft. Those two last products I just applied to my hair literally just changed the game, and that's what I've really been using to manage my straight hair. So if you're like me and you have relaxed hair, you want to have products in your hair care kit that would help just make your hair really really soft and yummy. So I'm going to let my hair just air dry on its own, and yeah, then I style it into put it into any protective style that I want, and I'm good to go. I like to put on my hair is Soulmate. You guys, this thing has been around for a very long time. I think it's been like since 1990 something. Yeah, I can't really see, but I know it's been in Nigerian family. Every Nigerian home, they have this hair care product, and it works great. The Soulmate conditioner, hair conditioner, is another thing that I really really like to apply to my hair. I like to apply it while it's wet, and sometimes when it's like dry, like maybe about a week from now, when I feel like my hair is just like dry, and I just applied the hair cream. This hair cream is amazing. It works really great. They say it's supposed to enhance hair growth. I think it's part of the thing that's making my hair grow because I don't even use any other hair cream. This is like my go-to. I always use it. And this is my second favorite comb in the world. I love, love, love how the comb is looking like. I love the tooth it has. Like, it's so beautiful and it detangles your hair like so well. I use it for both my hair and for my weaves, and I love, 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 love it, you guys. Hi guys. So this is like several hours after I already air dry my hair, and I thought to put the hair in a protective style, and it took me about say about an hour plus right now. So it's just remaining this section, and I wanted to show you guys how it's done. And this is everything, you guys. I love, love, love every. Hey, this is so dope. My goodness, like you can totally like let it down. Let me show you guys inside the hair. And that's it, you guys. I hope you liked it or you enjoyed this tutorial one way or the other. Let me know in the comment section, you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.